what's up? I figured why not do a balcony room tour on the new Discovery Princess. So we are staying in cabin C728 and my room actually just opened. Door unlocked, just opened, just by my medallion and me being in the vicinity. So let's do this tour. So as soon as you walk in, they used to have, you know, I don't know why they still have it, but card slots, you got your light controls. Okay, so we're at the front door, emergency actions. We have a nice storage hook. And this is the view of the room. We have a full-length mirror, which is fantastic. To the left, immediately to the left, we have a big, nice open, it's actually open plan kind of closet, which is definitely interesting. The cabinet, which provides some storage, and a safe. You have some storage up here as well. Okay. And to the left is the bathroom. Open up the door. You have two nice hooks for hanging towels, toiletry bags, whatever. And a nice area for you to do your business. Okay, the only bad thing is it has a shower curtain, but it is a very, very spacious shower. A nice little footstool. Ladies will definitely appreciate that, or you know, whoever likes to shave their legs, have a nice little prop up. Ooh, and something I'm just now noticing as well, they have liquid hand soap and liquid lotion provided by the Lotus Spa. It is a eucalyptus and sea salt. That's interesting. We're not staying in a spa balcony cabin like we were last cruise with Norwegian. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and check that video out. I'm pretty sure it's over here. Might be over here. Check that video out. And now we get into the main bedroom area. Chris is already out there chilling on our balcony. We have the queen setup bed. If you do choose a balcony, you have the option of either queen setup or they can split it for two twins. I tell you, all of this, it is so bright, so clean, elegant. We have a nice TV. We have extra storage on the sides. This is great. What is in here? Oh look, a little mini bar. Nice. In case you brought your own wine or sodas, keep it in there. And we have a desk setup. One thing I do notice right now, each of these bedside lamps have a USB port. That's so awesome. Getting with the times, I love it. You have some drawer space. You have a desk. Looks like you have a lot of European plugs and a couple of the regular plugs. Nice phone. More drawers. And now, obviously, the best part of the room, the balcony. So here is the balcony. It's pretty spacious. These chairs actually, they prop down if you want it propped down. So that is our room. We are on deck 10 on the Caribe deck, deck 10. The only thing I would say about this deck, we could see into somebody else's balcony down there, which not really a fan of. It's kind of weird if you ask me, but it's awesome. So we're probably going to continue exploring the ship a little bit. I'll probably get some food and yeah, have a great time. You excited for cruising? Yeah. Get some food, maybe catch a show.
No.
Alright guys, we'll catch you around. Bye!